This is a brand new Staying Alive model by Clayton Tempo, built here in Buckeye, Arizona. We're in Apache Junction. This is MH Elite Services. We're at the corner of Mountain and the Apache Trail in Apache Junction. This is a 1,410 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home by Clayton, built in Buckeye with a complete tape and texture finish. In this particular home, we opted in for no carpeting, so that means there's these vinyl floors throughout the home. This is a formal dining area. Could be used as a flex room, as an office. It's good size with 2 windows. All the windows are a thermal pane window, and everything you see in this home would come with the home. This is kind of how it comes from the factory before they finish the interior. Nice big island. We've upgraded the refrigerator to a side-by-side with water and ice in the door, dishwasher, range. Couple different options with cabinets. You have a European style range hood, nice large island here, big living room open to the kitchen area with 3 windows, big wall. You have a separate utility room here with hookups for washer and dryer. This home is all electric. They do have the option of making it gas, but it comes with a Rheem water heater and a furnace by Carrier designed to be hooked up to a heat pump on site. Your 3 bedrooms are back here. This is where the home's married together. Guest bedroom 1, even comes with an Ecobee thermostat. Guest bathroom, guest bedroom 2, and your primary bedroom with good size closet. This is all your baseboard and trim where the home goes together. Double sinks, large shower that even has a glass door that comes standard. Again, everything you see in this home standard. The 2 upgrades that we did option in here are the upgraded refrigerator, which is about $900, and vinyl flooring throughout, which is about $600, but eliminates any need for installation of carpet on site. If you have any questions, you want more information, you can see us at MH Elite Services, and you can visit our website, mheliteservices.com. Thank you.